Woodprofits by Jim Morgan is a no-fluff step-by-step guide to create a part-time woodworking business, selling easy-to-build wood crafts, from home, with little to no capital. He started out with little carpentry skills and run a business in a 10 by 20 feet space with almost nothing. And managed to make $9,500 to $12,000 per month, as a one-person business within the first year. If you have a passion for woodworking, you too can copy his secret method to make money with your own home-based woodworking business. The cool thing is, you don't have to be an expert woodworker to start this business, as it's packed with solid step-by-step instructions and information on what to do to turn your passion into profit. The projects that sell fast and can make you money over and over are simple to build, and they only need a modest shop. Even if you have no prior experience, with this guide and a willingness to learn, you could soon be enjoying a profitable and enormously satisfying career, or part-time job, doing something you love. The full guide with accompanying audio that will take you from where you are currently, to owning a thriving home-based woodworking business in your spare time. Whatever your aspirations, be they simply to sell your own homemade projects from home or to establish a profitable all-year-round woodworking business, this system will show you how. And, the one-on-one coaching Jim provides is worth much more than the entire package. Act on this quickly before the door shuts, as the offer may be taken down very soon. Click on the link given in the description box below to get this guide now.